Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make baked shrimp toast. For the ingredients, you will need 8 ounces of shrimp peeled and deveined, baguette or ciabatta bread, mozzarella cheese, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 4 stalks of green onion, butter or margarine, mayo, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. Begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Next, chop the shrimps into small pieces. Place the side in a bowl and make sure to clean the cutting board and the knife. Then go ahead and get your green onions and thinly chop it. Place the green onions inside the bowl with shrimp. Next, use a garlic press to chop the garlic. Go ahead and place in the same bowl. Next, take the mozzarella cheese. You may put the whole 8 ounces or you may put half. Put about 3 tablespoons of mayo, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a sprinkle of onion powder, some black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Go ahead and mix well. Next, take your bread and go ahead and cut it. Make sure that it's no thicker than 1 inch. This part is optional. If you like your bread to be a little bit more crunchy, go ahead and put some butter or margarine onto the bread and bake for about 5 minutes. Now spread the shrimp paste onto each bread. Bake for another 15 minutes. And then you are all done. Go ahead and plate and serve immediately. Enjoy!